Now here we are going to see in the slide how our first ring is going to complete, that is of easy ring. Okay, as we have joined, that is we are Y. So we have started, we have whoever has sponsored her, we have done the registration, we have activated our ID with the $10, and we have come in the easy ring in the bottom, in the below, in the middle. That means our ring has been started. And we have referred first person, he comes in the first place, that on the A. And we have referred the second person, second partner through our refer link. He have activated his ID and he will come in the second part, that is of B. And the same process A also has done and the B also has done. They both have brought one person. They will come under us the third person and they will come under them also the third person. And suppose the B person also activated, B person also has brought one person, he will come under us and he will come under him also. That means our 4 person have been completed. Our first ring has been completed, that is of easy. When the position get filled, we will move to the second ring. Our earning will be of $30. That means we have joined with the $10 and we have moved to the second ring, which we got $30. Now you, that means we have completed our first ring and we came to the second ring, that is you. How this second ring completes the U? As we brought A and B in the first ring, in the easy ring, they also have referred the people, they also have completed the easy ring one by one. And A has completed the easy ring, he will come under our second ring here in the place of A. In the same process, the B whom we have sponsored also complete his first ring, easy ring. He also comes in the second ring under our team here in the second ring. In the same process, the third person and the fourth person. The 4 persons will, whoever we have recruited in the first ring, in the easy ring, they will complete one by one the easy rings and they will come under our second ring. Here our total earning is of $90. In the total of $90, $10 we are going to get again the reinvestment in the first ring, which we have started in the starting place, that is easy ring. And the $50 we are going to do the again reinvestment in $50 we are going to invest in the third ring. Okay, that is of medium ring, which we have seen before. And total it is completed $60, remaining $30 we are going to withdraw. Here plus point is we can do the withdrawal any second, any time in 24 hours through Perfect Money. And there is no charges, no withdrawal charges deduction. So total $20, $30 we can withdraw any time. And here we are going to see the principles, how the rings movements are going to ring. In the ring 2, only those partners will come who complete the ring 1. No new joining directly comes in the ring 2. That means whoever we have brought in the ring 1, they will complete the ring 1, then only they'll come in the ring 2. If you are going to recruit in the ring 1, the new members, they're not going to come in our ring 2. Even in all the rings, the IDs will move further only if the rings got filled by the team efforts. Means how the rings are going to move. We have to work through our team. If our team is moving, then our rings will be moving. If the team is not moving, the rings will move slowly. And the third is another partner who completes the ring will always follow his sponsor. If whoever we have sponsored always will follow us only whenever he completes our ring. No one can buy the next ring by paying money for the next ring cost. Means we can, suppose we have joined in the easy, we cannot directly buy the medium. It's a circle process. Step by step only you have to move from the easy to the medium, then hard, then grand. By step only we can move. We cannot buy all the license at once and set. No, it is full of teamwork. By the step by step only we are going to move here. Every partner is equal here. He or either is rich or they cannot the process. Suppose if one of the person he is saying that I'm going to invest here $2,000, I'm going to buy all the license and I'm going to set. That cannot be done. Every person has to start from here from easy license, which is of $10. Then only he have to move over other license. He can. This is not the investment plan. It is a simple working plan. Just we have to work and we have to earn from here. Until your downline and the direct team not earn, your success will be still there. So always support to your downline with the system education. That means it is only through a teamwork. Just we have to support our downline. We have to educate them. We have to bring them to the concept, to the Zoom meetings. We have to teach them. We have to make them learn about the concept and guide them how to work here. If they are earning, we are also earning. So it just like a family, we have to work together as a family and we have to be working here. There is not an investment plan. So the person who really wants to be millionaire, he or she will become millionaire definitely. But I return, they have to build a team. If we want to become a millionaire, just we have to work here. Then only we can become a millionaire here. Not that we are investing the money and we are setting and we are becoming a millionaire here. So what is the earning of first ring and the second ring? First ring earning, we are going to earn here from here. As our first ring will be completed, we are going to get $30. The $30 is going to reinvest in the second ring. That is of $30. Means as we have joined in the first license with the easy and we have earned $30, it has gone to the second ring $30. Here our earning is 0. As our second ring is completed, which is of $30, there we are going to earn of $90, and the $50 is going to invest in the third ring, which is of medium, and that is of, and again the $30 we are going to withdraw, and the $10 is going to reinvest in the first ring, which is of $10. In this way, the first ring and second rings working for the lifetime, over and over and over. There is no limit. It goes on for the lifetime. So we have to start with the $10. We have to build our team. We have to guide them. We have to help them to complete the second ring. We have to take them to the third ring, which is of $50 medium. And we goes on earning from here. The first time we are, for the first time in the $10, we are earning 0. From the second ring of $30, we are going to earn $30. But the third time when it gets reinvestment, we are going to earn from the first ring easy ring $30, and from the second ring $30, which is of $80. Total we are going to earn from here 80 plus 30, $120 over and over for the lifetime. Next. Now we are going to see what is the earning of the ring 3 and the 4 earning. As we have completed our fifth ring, through our teamwork, our ID goes to the fourth ring, which is of $50, and the reinvestment of third ring, which is of $50, and third ring, as it is completed, our income is of $50, and we have invested in the fourth ring, which is of $150. And from the third ring, same way, we are not going to earn for the first time nil. We are not going to withdraw anything. As our fourth ring of $150 is completed, we are going to earn from here $450. From that, we are going to reinvest again in third ring, which is of $50, and we are going to buy the fifth ring, which is of $300, and we are going to withdraw from here $100 in the fourth ring. As we are reinvested $150 in the third ring, and we have invested here in the fourth ring, we are going to earn from the reinvestment income, that is of, for the third ring, that is $150, and the fourth ring, which is of $450. It goes on coming over and over. As our third rings completes how many times? 1 time, 2 time, 3 time, 4 times. There is no limit. We are going to get $150. As our fourth ring gets completed, $450, we are going to earn over and over. Here, plus point is instant withdrawal. Anytime we can withdraw in 24 hours. This is a license of the easy license. How can we earn from the $10 to $72,000 over and over. First one is of easy license, which have started with $10, and we have moved to the second ring, which is of $30. Again, we have invested in the $50, which is of medium ring. From here, we are going to withdraw $30 and $80. And the second one is of next medium. How the second medium branch? For medium, we are going to invest in the medium $50, $150, and $300. Here, we're going to withdraw always $450 from here. And the fifth one is third license is a hard license, which is of 300. The fifth ring is of 300, sixth ring is 900, and seventh ring is of $1,500. From here, investment is of 227 and withdrawal is $900 from here. And the next one is seventh ring of 1,500, $4,500 and 9,000. Here, withdrawal is of $3,000. And here, ninth and 10th ring, as we completed, our withdrawal will be $72,000, and we are going to reinvest here $9,000, and the total 10th ring earning will be $8,100, $72,000. In this process, we are going to earn the money over and over, unlimited times, not once, for the lifetime. As the rings then completed, as they get reinvestment goes, our earning also goes in this process again and again. $30, $80, $100, $400, $900, $2,400, $3,000, $12,000, $72,000. It's unlimited times we can earn from here. Next. This is a license rings which we have been seen. We have explained before. All the rings have the how it's going to be of easy ring, which is of $10, and 10 rings which are going to be moving, and the medium also is going to get 10 rings reinvestment income, and the hard also we are going to get 10 rings reinvestment incomes, and the grand also with the 10 grand reinvestment incomes. It goes like this, circles moves on moves for the lifetime, unlimited times over here. Next, this is a chart which has been given how much we are going to invest and how much we are going to withdraw from here. And the easy license payout chart, for the one time, the cost is of only of $10, and the payment is you can activate your ID through Bitcoin or through Perfect Money through US dollar, but the withdrawal process is only in Perfect Money, but we can't withdraw in the Bitcoin, but we can activate our ID through Bitcoin and through Perfect Money, both the process. And the first ring is of the next one. What are the, we are going to get a linear premium, that means the commission of the teamwork. For the we are going to get here 5 level of income, and for the easy we are going to get 3%. In the second level we are going to get 2%. In the third level we are going to get 2%, fourth level 1%, and fifth line 1%. That means if whoever joins, if they come with the easy through our team, we are going to get this much percent. If the team person, whoever activate the ID in the second license of medium, we are going to get the percentage of 5%. First level 5%, second level 3%, third level 2%, fourth level 1%, fifth level 1%. And the third license, which is of hard, which is of $100, we are going to get the first level 7%, second level 3%, third level 2%, fourth level 2%, fifth level 1%. And the fourth license, which is of grand, that is of $1,000, we are going to get here 7%, 3%, 2%, 2%, 1%. This is our lifetime. As our team, whoever came in the first through our easy, they will upgrade to the $50. In the medium, we are going to get this level income in the medium. And the whoever completes the medium and comes to the hard, which is of $100, we are going to get the level income 5 level. And whoever completes the hard license, which is of 100, and they come to the grand, which is of 1,000, we are going to get this level income. And this is a lifetime income. We can earn a good income from our recruiting. Next one is the company is going to give us the rewards. Okay, as in the easy license, by closing the rings, we have to fill the condition necessary to contain the statements and variable rewards for the work we have done. Whatever work we are doing, the company also is giving us the honor. The company is giving us the rewards for that. Suppose we have joined in the easy license and we have completed our 6th ring. Company is going to give us a cash reward of $100, and we are going to get a status of director. We are going to become a director. As we have completed our 8th ring, the company is going to give us an iPhone, and we are going to get a status of regional director. As we are completing of 10th ring, we are going to get a one world tour with 1%, and we are going to become international director. These are the rewards a company is giving when we have completed our easy license. As we have moved to our medium license and we have completed our 6th ring, the company is giving us gold diamond ring for the man and the woman, and the status we are silver director. As we are going to complete our 8th ring, the company is giving our Apple microbook. The status we are going to get silver religion director. And the 5th and the 3rd reward the company is giving, as we are complete our 10th ring, we are going to get a car or a status of silver international director. The company is giving a very good rewards over here. And the third one is a hard license. As we have completed our 6th ring in the hard license through our teamwork, the company is giving us gold bracelet for the man and the or woman, who whatever you want we can take, and we are going to get a status of gold director. And the 8th ring, as we have completed, the company is giving us a gold watch, and the status is gold religion director. And the 4th ring and the 10th ring, as we have completed, the company is giving us a Spain or the Turkey a property rewards, where we can purchase or we can take the amount of that, and we are going to become a gold international director over here. These are the rewards the company is giving as we complete in the easy license, medium, and the hard. And the third one and the 4th license is grand. As we have come in the grand license and we are come in the 4th ring, we have completed our 4th ring. The company is giving us to travel 2 days, any 2% for the 10 days all over the world, and company is giving us the status of platinum manager. We are going to become a platinum manager over here. As we have completed our 6th ring, we are going to get a car, and the company is making us platinum director. And we have completed our 8th ring in the grand. We are going to get apartment in the Spain or Turkey. We can buy our apartment over there, or we can take the amount from them. And status is platinum religion director. And the 4th one is reward. As we have completed our 10th ring, we are going to get a beautiful house in the beach. That means we can get a house in the beach and we can earn our income from there. These are that one was about the easy license, about the starting of the easy license, which we have discussed before. And this is a new one more income opportunity the company is giving us. Through that we can earn extra income from here, and the income opportunity is a fast income. Fast income is the short and the 5-seat business table where we can receive or instant cash payment after closing. Then your account goes to reinvestment in orders to close a short matrix and gets money again. The number of closing to the table represent the number money is unlimited. That means we can earn here unlimited income from fast money also. Fast money is a perfect for beginner who do not yet have experience and a large team partner. It is also a great opportunity for leaders to make money quickly and reliable. That means a person who is not having any knowledge about the concept, if he starts with the fast money also, in the short term he can earn a good income from here. And the starting packages in the fast money is of $25, $75, $150, $300, $600, or $1,200. It is our opportunity. If we want, we can start with the easy license and with the fast money both. In the fast money, starting is $25. As we have started with the $25, we have to bring A and B. As A and B has brought one person, the 4 members comes, our first ring gets completed, and we are going to earn from here $75. And through that $75, our ID has gone to the second ring, which is a fast $75. As our fast $75, whoever came in the fast 25, they will complete their fast 25 rings, and they will come to our second ring, which is a fast 75. As we have completed our fast 75, we are going to earn from here $25. From the $225, $25 we are again we are getting reinvestment in the fast 25, and we are going to withdraw from here $200 from the fast 75. Next. Here there are different kinds of here total 6 types of fast income is the first one is of 25 and the second one is of 75. As we completed first one's $25 fast income, we are going to get second ring 75. Okay, it moves the first ring and the second rings goes on moves one by one after one, and the third ring is $150. Fast one is of $150. It is our option. If we like, we can start with the $150. As our suppose we have completed our fast $150, 4 members came, we are going to totally earn $150, $450. From the $450, we are going to reinvest again in the only in the third ring, which is of fast 150, and we are going to withdraw $300. It goes on moves like that again and again. The fast $150 ring, third ring. It is an option. If we want to move to the fourth ring, which is a fast $300, we can invest here in the $300 of the fast $300. Here the total earning will be of $900. As our rings get completed, we are going to reinvest again in the fast fourth ring only $300, and we are going to withdraw from here $600. If we want to earn more income and we have to move forward, we can invest in the fast 600. As we have invested in the fast 600, we are going total we are earning is $1,800 as our rings get completed. And here again we are going to invest 600 in the fast 600 only in the fifth ring, and we are going to withdraw from here $1,200. It's again and again as we goes on the investment, we are going to withdraw $1,200. And the last ring is a fast is $1,200. It is an option. If we want to move, we can invest in the fast $1,200, and total income is of $3,600. Through that, we are going to earn $1,200. This is a fast income. First, we have $150. Income is $450, and withdrawal is of $300. And the second one is $300. Total income is of $900, and withdrawal is of $600. And the third is $600. And income is $1,800, and withdrawal is $1,200. And the fourth one is $1,200, and income is $3,600, and withdrawal is $2,400. That means by investing $150, we can earn again and again. How to get the first fast earning? Great opportunity here. Just we have to start only one step. Just we have to start with the easy license, which is of $10, and the fast money, which is of $25. Total investment is here from of $35 to $35. From here, we as we are complete gets rings, we can earn total $230 from here. This is a simple and easy way to earn a good income from here. As our rings gets completed, we can goes on moving from hard to medium, then medium to hard, then fast income, that is of $150. It is an option. We want to start with easy and the fast money, or we can start only with the easy, and we can goes on moving step by step. It depends upon us how we want to work over here. Next. This is a payout table of the fast money, how we are going to get a payout from the fast money. And the packages is here of 6 types. First one is a fast 25, fast 75, fast 150, fast 300, fast 600, fast 1200. So the packages cost this one, and the earning will be first one is $75, withdrawal is nil, and the fast 75 earning is $225, reinvestment is of $25, and withdrawal will be $200. And the for fast $150 package is $150, and earning is of $450, and reinvestment we are going to do is $150, and we are going to withdraw here from here $300. And for the fast $300, our earning will be $900, and the investment will of $300, and we are net withdrawal will be of $600. And the fast 600 we are going to earning will be $1,800, and reinvestment is of $600, and withdrawal is $1,200. and the fast 1200, 3600 will be our earning, 1200 will be reinvestment, and 2400 will be our withdrawal. In this way, unlimited times we can earn from here fast income. This is the opportunity which have shown here. Through that we can earn a good income from here. That is Tyrex, a unique concept. I think everyone has to join here. We can start with the easy and we can earn a good income from here. And simple fast earning magic is just we can start with the easy license.
Madam, leave this side. No issues. I'm on this side.
This one is a verification how we have to do the registration. This is a process of do the registration. Just we have to see our sponsor, whoever have reviewed us. We have to enter our mobile number, our email ID, and the username, whatever we want, and the password. And we have to confirm the password and the PIN number, any 5-digit PIN number, which you have to keep with you forever. Without the PIN number, you cannot withdraw from here. And click on I'm not a robot and do the registration. In this process, you have to complete your registration here. And how to activate our easy license in Tyrex. First, we have to log in our ID with our mail ID and the password. After that, in general update email ID box and save verification link, refer on your mail. Then go to your profile, upload your whatever photo you want to upload, just upload your profile and update your name and the save it. And then we have to go to the menu option, go to the license, scroll down, term and condition, and submit the agreement button. Agree the license. Here shows the easy license with the 2 options. We are going to get the easy license with the 2 options, Bitcoin and the perfect money. Just whatever you want, you have to select through Bitcoin. If you want to pay, we can pay through Bitcoin. If you want to activate our ID through perfect money, also we can activate our ID. In the both the process, we can activate our ID. If you're having it in blockchain, the amount of $10 you can do in that also. We have to confirmation. We have to wait at least 20 minutes. Do not refresh your page till the confirmation will be getting over here. And the next system is withdrawal system is only a perfect money. You can withdraw only in the perfect money 24 hours, anytime, any second we can withdraw. There is no time limit. We or Monday, Friday, Tuesday, any day, anytime we can withdraw in 24 hours, and no withdrawal charges over here. The company is not deducting even a single rupee from us. If we are having $200, totally $200 we can withdraw in our perfect money anytime. This is the unique concept which has been running all over the world. So whoever had
So thank you, Sneha ma'am. Thanks for beautiful presentation.